of the neat things about being in the yard is that you meet some interesting people. And this boat here that you're looking at is 38 feet. It's made of aluminum. And the owner is 72 years old. And he's been sailing this boat since 2007. And his journey started in the south of France. So every day I go over and have a chat with him, and he tells me about different adventures and places he's been. And it's become kind of like part of the daily routine is to have a chat. There's a bit of a language barrier, but we seem to manage. It's super exciting to talk to someone like him who has been sailing and basically living the dream that I have of sailing the world. I've had a lot of questions for him, like anything from different places he would recommend going to what types of fuel he uses for cooking in different parts of the world. So I'm taking lots of notes. Tomorrow they're going to come and move the stands for me, and then I can have access to those areas under the pads. So there you go, you saw how they moved the stands. They just placed a support under the bow here and adjusted the front stands. Center stands, they didn't have to do anything. And at the rear, at the aft, they used that stand again. I guess I'll get geared up into my grubby sanding clothes and start sanding again. Well, today wasn't as busy as a lot of the other days I've had while I've been up on the hard here. And I still had to do a little sanding, a little painting like you saw. And I will have to apply the 2 coats of anti-fouling tomorrow. It's going pretty quick. It's just 6 little locations on the hull there, as you saw. The entire hull is polished. I ended up moving the extension ladder this afternoon, and I worked on the transom, so it's all polished up now. So really I think tomorrow is just anti-fouling and maybe starting to do a bit of cleanup. My boat is a disaster inside, and below it is pretty messy. I got a lot of stuff to put away. So I think I'll do that in between coats tomorrow. And then on Wednesday I hope I can just have kind of a relaxing day in the yard and just wait for my time for the lift and get back in the water.